Alright, so this video is about how to buy an eSIM using a referral code. On the affiliate portal, you will find this My Referral Code option. As I clicked on it, this page appeared. As you can see, all the instructions are written on it. So, to share a referral invitation, you need to create a link as written here with all the examples. Alright, to generating the link, firstly you need to open the eSIMCard website and then click on the Buy eSIM button. From there, you can select all your desired countries or region. For example, I selected the United States, and from this page, I will simply copy the URL link from here and pasted it onto the Google Sheet. Then I will go back to the referral portal and copy that unique text and pasted it in front of that country link. Then I'll again go back to the page and copy that unique promo code and then paste it onto the sheet. Here we go, our link has been generated, and by clicking on it, I will be redirected on the page of my eSIM data plans. As you can see, I selected the United States and I am redirected on this page. From here, I can select or choose any of my desired eSIM data plan. For example, I choose this 5 GB for 30 days and press the buy now button. So here we go, our unique promo code referral link has been generated, and after clicking on it, I will be redirected on my data eSIM plans page. From here, you can select any of your desired data plan or eSIM package. For example, I selected this 5 GB for 30 days and press the buy now button. After that, I will be redirected on the login page, and after the login, I will be redirected on the Stripe checkout portal. On this page, you should enter all the required details, for example, your phone number, your card information, your name or country, region, zip code, and everything which is required. After that, you will press that pay button, and yes, your eSIM is successfully purchased. Alright, after the purchasing of eSIM, if you want to see the details of if your previously purchased eSIM, you just need to click on this black eSIM button and you can see the details of your released sims and the pending sims if you have any.